What is happening? Long awaiting this package right here. It just came in on a private jet behind me here at Millionaire. I'm not even joking.
Millionaire. And we're in the Bentley, the perfect chauffeur, the very expensive and elusive exhaust.
This is the brand new, what we've been waiting for from Unobtainium. Taking so long due to shortages on Inconel. The material used on F1 exhaust, finally done. Very, very special, one of one. F1 Inconel titanium Unobtainium exhaust. It is $40,000. Guys, let's head over to SR Auto Group and get this bad boy installed onto the Carrera GT and hear that sweet high F1 pitch, that V10 engine. Special delivery. Special delivery, you guys.
Look at this. All torn down.
If you've seen the previous videos and you're wondering, why do you have another exhaust? The previous exhaust in here is a stainless exhaust. The new exhaust, like I said, is Inconel and titanium, and it's a slightly different configuration. No X-pipe whatsoever. It gives it that raspiness, and it's not intentionally what we wanted in the beginning. We want that high-pitch, F1 sounding V10 sound.
How much was this?
This is like $40,000.
Oh, okay, let's do it.
Look how gorgeous these pieces look. This is now gonna have a valve system, which also is gonna allow me to tone it down when I need to in the appropriate places. Check this out. Look at the Unobtainium details. They go to great length to make this stuff so beautiful. The detail Chris goes into putting into these exhausts is amazing. The custom DDE Carrera GT, that's epic. So now with the X-pipe, should have a higher pitch note. Nothing's for certain, but you're gonna have to stick around to find out. Huge shout out to Chris though for smashing this project out of the park. Just looks 10 times more impressive.
That's all we had on there before, you guys. Stainless.
And then check out the details he's got over here on this side.
I mean, I absolutely love all of this.
So if you guys are in the business of getting a new exhaust system, give Chris from Unobtainium a shout. There'll be a link in the description to his shop. We're gonna let Martin work his magic right now on all of this. I bought this car because I had heard my friend Kevin's straight piped Carrera GT and instantly fell in love with it. And this is just one of those super iconic cars that will go down and already has in history as probably being one of the best naturally aspirated manual gearbox Porsches ever built. Mark my words, we're already on our way out with electric cars on their way in. All these cars will never be made again. I feel super fortunate that I could even get my hands on one of these. Now it's gonna just dial it up to the next level for DDE. Do some fun stuff with it.
It just keeps following us around. Dave's Squadra Corsa.
God, that looks juicy.
And there's so much going on with this new X-pipe design.
And then we have, of course, those mufflers on the end. Now, they're not really designed to muffle like a traditional exhaust would in the sense that it's really gonna make it quieter. Really designed to get rid of the raspiness, and that's about it.
I am so stoked for this.
The border is still closed. All right, guys, we wanted to be there for the 4th of July celebrations. Unfortunately, as you can see, that is impenetrable. There's no way around that.
We're right over there.
No, there's no way, no way. So we're stuck in Canada. We'll make the best of it. This video is sponsored by Avalon King, the king of ceramic coating. They're sponsoring the video so we can have a crazy tailgate party and absolutely up this Bentley. This is already coated with Avalon King about a week ago. It's good to go. This will be the ultimate test. As you know, coatings are great for dust, dirt. We're gonna take that from here to like DDE status. Absolutely destroying everything on this car, even a cake. Who needs buns when you've got tons of hot dogs? Now we have all you need for a tailgate. You have hot dog water in the carpet, ketchup, mustard, and a baseball cake. Because what's more American than baseball? All right, guys, in celebration of the 4th of July, Avalon King is giving you guys a crazy discount for the next 4 days. Today until the 4th of July. But before we get to that, let's f this family. Ooh. Now, no will do this to their Bentley, but luckily this car is coated with Avalon King, the ceramic coating that you can do at home, and it's super cheap, much cheaper than going to a shop. This car is completely filthy, but I'm not worried right now. We'll rinse it off and be good to go.
You guys, look how destroyed Dave's Bentley is. And like Dave said, nobody in their right mind would do this because mustard and ketchup is acidic. This could be very harmful to your paint if it wasn't for the fact that this car is already protected.
Actually, it looks pretty good like this.
It looks absolutely nuts. We did art with mustard and ketchup.
Reeks of mustard right now. Like odor coming off of it. This is a tailgate gone bad on 4th of July.
Now let's go and show everybody how this will simply rinse right off and it'll look like a crystal clear, clean, pristine Bentley when we're done.
What's going on?
I smelled you before I saw you.
Avalon King coated, dude. It's safe.
Who'd you piss off? I don't know, McDonald's?
All right, here's the ultimate test on how this coating works. Watch how easily this just completely rinses off the side of the car. And remember, it's dried on right now.
Avalon King leaves a deep, glossy finish, a glass-like shine on anything it touches. It's like wax on steroids. It's very hydrophobic, meaning water and dirt just feeds off. That feeds off, how feeds off, you dirty sons of bitches. It's also resistant to UV, light scratches, and bird crap as well as bugs, and ketchup and mustard. It's everything you need for a professional finish that typically costs over $1,000. It also coats glass so that no wipers are required when it's raining, as well as your rims to prevent brake dust, plastic, as well as door guards, and protects lights so they don't yellow. No one likes a yellow light.
Look at that mirror finish, you guys. Insane. Avalon King ceramic coating protects your car. Proof is in the mustard.
The best part about Avalon King is DIY. You save literally thousands of dollars by doing it yourself. There's a bad boy right there, the armor shield. Clean the panel, so let's talk about this door. We'll clean it, make sure it's good to go. Take the little sponge here and the applicator pad. A few drops, 2 or 3 drops, and work in a small section, applicating the product. Nice and clean, right? When that's done, let it dry, and then take this cloth and polish it to a mirror finish and repeat. Super, super easy. We've done it before in my G-Wagon. You guys have seen that. Best product, super cheap, and a huge discount for you guys. So in today, July 1st to July 4th, 30% off all products at Avalon King's. Link in the description, as well as if you buy 2 of these, you get this free gift. Hold on. Oh man, it's hot in there. The Avalon King Prep Shampoo. That's a free gift for you guys. Now, limited quantities, and the sale's only on for 4 days. Click the link in the description, protect your car. Now, I trust this product enough to cover this $200,000 car in mustard and ketchup in the freaking hot sun. You should trust it too.
Done?
Done.
Got a new exhaust, time to fire it up. Martin's giving it the one wipe down so that none of the jam hands from us. So that's the last thing I want is my fingerprint burned permanently into a piece of metal.
That's way too much evidence.
Way too heavy, yeah.
Start it.
Did it?
You ready? You excited?
I am.
You ready? Cover your ears.
It's not gonna be that though.
Oh, you don't think so, hey? Okay.
So sharp, way higher than before.
It sounds more high pitched.
Wait, I was just telling them it's way more high pitched.
Like, listen to it up here.
Way more F1 car now.
Way more.
One more. Holy. That hurt.
Button it up and take it for a drive.
All right, Martin, button it up.
What do you think of the sound? Do you like it?
I do like it.
Do?
Can't really hear anymore.
It has more of a high-pitched noise now to it. It has less raspiness. I think that's what I'm trying to say. You guys, we all have heat stroke.
It's 118 degrees out right now.
I can't handle it. It's brutal. We gotta thank Martin big time, you guys, because without him,
What's your Instagram?
My Instagram? Can't remember.
He doesn't know.
we all have heat stroke, you
Welcome to
guys.
Canada. A lot less egos here. Oh, dude, that's way better.
Sounds good. Sounds crazy. Listen to it. Listen to it right here. Sounds really good.
It sounds better. It's still loud. It was more in line with what the car should sound like stock. It sounds better than stock.
Sounds really good now.
Sounds very unique, like nothing else, right? The way a car's supposed to sound.
I love it. Really happy with it. It's higher pitch, but it's less buzzy, like that raspiness to it.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's got that F1 sound now. It's still loud. It feels a little toned down in here because it's high pitch, so you don't have that burble coming
Yeah,
through.
there's zero drone.
I feel like I could get away with driving this actually.
Yeah, I really like it, dude. It really fits the car. So what you're hearing is Inconel and titanium.
Yep.
With mufflers and a valve system.
With the X-pipe.
What's cool right now is that it can be quiet when you want it to be quiet, so it's not always loud. So you can drive normal and it sounds like a stock Carrera GT, not a Boxster. I know they look the same, but they're different.
I conclude that this is a much better exhaust system in sound, look, and performance.
Almost dropped the camera there. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Alright you guys, that's a wrap with the Carrera GT for now. It's going to stay down here at SR Auto Group. We have a few other little things to go on the car. I don't want to quite take it up to Kelowna. It's a 5-hour drive. We do, however, have some amazing things happening at August Luxury Motorcars, which involve the 720 GTR. Before you know it like that, movie magic, we will be at August in 3, 2, 1. What's up you guys? Welcome back to Kelowna, British Columbia. This is the hottest day ever recorded here. It is 46 degrees Celsius, which is about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. I need to get inside the Bentley where it's air conditioned and later jump in the pool. I think Dave has officially killed every bug in the Okanagan, all the way up the hood. Absolute massacre. Murder was the case that they gave Dave. Chariot awaits. Oh, dude, your door handles?
Solid steel. Literally will burn your fingers.
We're off to August Luxury Motorcars, go get the 720 GTR, and we have a few other things in the works. Stick around.
You're my world now.
Do not drive off the edge. Dave, I am a simple man. I like caviar, fine waters.
Only the best.
Should I have champagne or August Luxury Motorcars bottled water?
Well, it's 120 out, sir, so I suggest maybe hydrating before you start drinking.
Hey, you're probably right. We are at August Garage, and I have some unfortunate news. I went to get my 720 GTR at August Luxury Motorcars, the showroom, and it wasn't there. Apparently, the air conditioning isn't working. And on the hottest day ever recorded, that's not a good thing. Woohoo! Dude, it is hot. Car's looking good, two-tone, bro. Oh, look at that. Stradman's getting his car serviced.
Hey, James is here.
Look at that. See that? Blue interior, blue seatbelts. Can't tell you what's going on. We'll keep that under wraps. We got the 720 GTR sitting over here. As you guys can see, last summer we were doing a track day and the AC went out on me on the track. It blew a line. It also blew the AC compressor. I have one being overnighted. I'm gonna have to drive that just down the road a few blocks to August Garage. This isn't gonna be a whole lot of fun. You sweating my bag off in the 720 GTR?
1 second in.
Oh, oh my God, with the seat.
It's probably already hot in there inside. That sounds good.
Yeah, it's just not cool.
Just not cool.
Even for like a couple of blocks, this isn't gonna be pleasant. Imagine driving through an oven.
Looks great.
It looks hot. Sucker. The Bentley has like 15 air compressors, cooled seats, cooled steering wheel. Everything's cooled in that car.
But it doesn't look like that. Does he win? Does he lose? We're not really sure. Right? Oh,
get in your car. I am not getting into the sun.
Wait.
No.
Wait. What are you having for lunch today?
Get in your car. Get in your car.
You hot?
Give me a jacket I can borrow. I'm dying in here. It's so cold. Feels good right now to be in a situation where Damon's in misery and I'm in pure happiness. Little moments that count in life, you guys. Really enjoy them. Hot in there? Are you hot?
I'm like dying.
Damon has no air conditioning, so let's make sure he can't get into the building. Let's block him for a few minutes. Hey, wait, say hi to Glenn. Glenn wants to say hi.
August Luxury Motorcars.
Where are you going? Am I blocking you in? I'm sorry, I gotta put it in gear, hold on.
Dude, it's so, you should take this for a quick drive. It's so hot.
Oh, that sounds awful.
Blowing air like through an oven.
You want me to ask him to move the Porsche so you can get in?
Beat someone's please, get me out of here.
Oh, I want to beat someone. I'm such an aggressive person. Damon wants to put the car inside. He has no air conditioning.
Stupid hot.
It's stupid hot. I got you, bro. Take your time. It's not a big deal. You know, if you want to get a glass of water or a drink. Yeah, I'm rushing him.
All right, let's talk business. But before we do, Matt, can you please give this son of a lesson? What type of fake champagne do you have in your Bentley?
I have
you
Prosecco.
seen this?
Baby duck.
He has
No, I got Prosecco. That's $35 a
Prosecco's
bottle.
not a type.
It's not even
champagne,
close.
not a brand.
Prosecco is the name.
I'm sorry, I'm not an alcoholic like you guys, okay?
You
Educate me
are
on
actually.
your drinking.
So this guy's got a Bentley with
He
a
just calls the different types of whiskey.
$12,000 fridge in his Bentley.
13.8.
And he's got a fake bottle of champagne in there. See these beautiful bottles? Now, maybe not quite the Andy Warhol collection that belongs in Dave's car, but you gotta go out and get one bottle of Dom. $250 a bottle, that's it.
Get the mother out of here.
$500
I don't
for
have
2
money
bottles.
like that. I don't get a salary.
Really?
That's a fake, bro.
Speaking of vehicles, since we're here.
Yes.
When's the new one coming?
Maybe in a couple hours.
Finally?
Finally.
It made it. It's Trek all the way here.
It drove all by itself all the way here.
Cheapest one in the entire country. When do you want to reveal this, Dave? Are we doing it in this video?
No, next video. You guys gotta wait.
Everybody's so mad at me right now.
Why are they mad at you? Oh, they are mad at you. I read the
They
comments.
are, I know. You guys smash the subscribe button. See you guys in the next video. Peace. And neither is opening this bottle one-handed. It's not easy.
Yeah, watch the lid. What was that? So watch where we put the lid.
I'll lower your salary.
I'm gonna lawyer up.